So today we are talking about the Kleenoil Micron Filtration machine, which is a mobile machine used in all industries for hydraulic, gear, lubrication oil, as well as for meat cutting oil. This is a mobile machine which is very simple to operate and is a simple start and stop switch. This machine is used in all tanks, whether you like to use it dedicated or mobile, hence it comes with wheels. The machine is simple to operate. We have a plug-in. You plug in your suction line here. This is a magnetic filter. The oil goes into the machine and into the filter cartridge. This cartridge is under 1 micron contamination absorption, which takes in moisture as well as contamination. The machine inside has a filter pot, which is imported straight from the UK, the Kleenoil brand. This takes in all the oil and absorbs all the contamination into that cartridge. After this, the oil comes out completely clean through the delivery line. What we have here also is an oil sampling point. The oil sampling point can be used to check your current level of contamination on your oil, as well as a relief valve in case the oil is not passing through the machine easily. What we also provide with the machine is a particle counter, which allows you to continuously measure the NAS level of your machine. There is a specific point on this. We can always show that and install that as an additional item. So that is. Thank you.